Viewers, welcome back to my channel. আজকে আমি ডিসকাস করব ডিগ্রি কি, কোর্ট কখন ডিগ্রি দেয়। কোর্টের যে ডিসিশন সেটা একটা ডিগ্রিও হতে পারে, একটা অর্ডারও হতে পারে। কখন ডিগ্রি হবে? ডিগ্রি হবে, এটা ডিফাইন করেছে সেকশন 2 সাবসেকশন 2 অফ কোড অফ সিভিল প্রসিডিওর। সিভিল প্রসিডিওর মিন্স যে প্রসিডিওরটা আমাদের সিভিল ম্যাটার নিয়ে ডিল করে। ডিগ্রি কি? ডিগ্রি হচ্ছে একটা ফর্মাল এক্সপ্রেশন অফ কোর্ট অফ ল। ফর্মাল মিন্স রিটেন এক্সপ্রেশন, and it conclusively means finally determines the rights of the parties, which means that the suit is conclusively disposed by that decision. Decree, when an court passes an order for rejection of a plaint, that is also a decree. Then what is plaint? Plaint basically a document in which the plaintiff, the party who files a suit, written his name, address, age, cause of action, claim, and many more things. This is plaint. When a plaint is rejected by an order, that order is decree. But when an order is given by the court for dismissal for default, it is not a decree. When dismissal for default order is passes, when any party, plaintiff or defendant in the suit does not arises before the court of law, and any adjudication, any decision from which an appeal lies, that is not a decree. There is some example of what is illustration of decree. Decisions which can be decree. An order for cancellation of a suit is a decree. Dismissal of appeal, when court passes an order for dismissal of appeal on the ground that the time is expired by limitation act. Dismissal of a suit when there is lack of evidence, that is also a decree. Rejection of plaint when the plaintiff does not pay the court fees, it is also a decree. What is not a decree? When an order for default is not a decree. When the court appoints a commissioner to take account or for investigation purpose, it is not a decree. When interim relief granted or refuses, it does not called a decree. Types of decree. Decree can be divided into 3 kinds. Preliminary, when the decision decides the matter in controversy but does not finally dispose of the suit, completely does not dispose of the suit, it is preliminary decree. What is final decree? When the adjudication finally dispose of the suit and no appeal lies before the court against that decree within prescribed time, it is a final decree. What is partly preliminary and partly final decree? When in a suit, for example, the suit is possession of immovable property, and the court passes decrees for possession of immovable property, but there is another claim for means profit, and the means profit is not decided by the court, and court directs for an inquiry into that matter. It is called partly preliminary and partly final. Thank you guys. If you like my video, do subscribe my channel and write in the comment section whether it is helpful for you or not. Thank you.